Let's learn easy English with family and friends. Practice with pictures and speak with confidence. Who is in your family? My parents and my sister. Do you live with your grandparents? Yes, they live with us. Who cooks in your home? My mom cooks delicious food. Do you help your parents? Yes, I help my dad wash the car. What do you do on Sundays? We go for a family picnic. Who helps you with homework? My elder brother. What makes your family special? Our love and care for each other. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ali. Where did you meet your best friend? At school. What do you and your friends do together? We play football after school. Do you share your lunch with your friend? Yes, we always share food. Who makes you laugh the most? My little brother. Do you have cousins? Yes, I have 2 cousins. When do you meet your cousins? We meet at family gatherings. Do you visit your relatives? Yes, sometimes on weekends. What is your father's job? He is a doctor. What is your mother's hobby? She loves gardening. Do you help your mom in the kitchen? Yes, I do. Do you like spending time with your family? Yes, very much. What do you call your father's brother? I call him uncle. What do you call your mother's sister? I call her aunt. What do you do on your friend's birthday? I give a gift and eat cake. What do you and your friends talk about? We talk about school and games. Do you visit your friend's house? Yes, we study together there. Who supports you when you are sad? My mother. What do you like most about your dad? He always listens to me. Who teaches you good manners? My parents do. What is your favorite thing to do with your family? Watching movies together. Who is the funniest in your family? My dad. He tells funny jokes. Do you love your family and friends? Yes, they make my life happy. Family and friends make life beautiful. Keep practicing English with the English flow.